Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Tashrita Gupta, your ACCA mentor. So I am finally back with a video on strategic business reporting for the September 2024 attempt. So you all must be waiting for your ultimate planner and the super 20 question list for SBR. So today you're going to get it, and it is going to be a very important video. So make sure you listen it till the end and make sure you share it with all the students who are preparing for SBR so that they also get benefited. Okay. So knowledge spreads by sharing it. So do share it with your peers and let them benefit as well. So this is going to be a planner where I'm going to discuss with you that starting from 7th of August, which is just like 1 or 2 days from now, how are you supposed to make sure that you complete the kit questions? Okay. So what should be your chronology of solving the kit questions of SPR? Which kit are you supposed to use? It's Kaplan kit forever. SBR, we do best with the Kaplan kit. And recently, the newer versions of Kaplan kit were out. So some of the questions are there in my planner, which relates to the, very recent Kaplan kit, which just got expired this attempt only. But there are few 1 or 2 questions which you have to locate from the previous kit. And the rest of the questions are from the newest version of the kit. Now in SBR, we all know that it's all about practicing. It's all about, applying your skills, whatever you've got in your concepts. So I'm not sure, but you do let me know in the comment section that what's your progress on SBR by far. Like, have you completed all the concepts? What's pending? What's happening? There are a lot of students who are enrolled with me as well. So you guys always keep in touch with me on the WhatsApp groups and the live classes. But the students who are like learning via the YouTube, do let me know in the comment section what's your progress report on the SBR. Have you followed your 45 days plan or not? Now, in the ultimate planner, I'll give you like a day-wise list of questions that you have to practice. Now, I'll bifurcate the students. There are students who are enrolled with me. So those students will be given those questions, every day's question on the portal. So they're already uploaded. So on the portal, even if you are from premium batch, post-result batch, or you are going to enroll for our crash course. So in all these courses, you will find the recordings of these question debriefs in the same order as I've given you in the planner. Okay, that's first point. Second point is that there are some questions which I've listed in the planner, which are super 20 questions. Now, when I say super 20 questions, these are not something which are going to have some magic on your preparation or something like that. No, super 20 questions are the most important questions for this attempt. For example, this time in the Kaplan kit, there were some new questions which were introduced. So yes, automatically they fall under the scope of Super 20 questions. So that I've put in the list of Super 20, which we all will solve live in the class starting from 13th of August, 6 p.m. Indian time. So if you want to join those live classes, you all know you have to be part of the crash course then. And that is always available on the website, tgprofs.com. You can go and enroll yourself in the crash course, which would include your mocks, your assignments, the Super 20 question live classes, the mock debriefs, and even the recorded question classes. Because August is all about practice, practice, practice. Okay. Now we are all done with concepts. Whatever concepts are pending, you have to make sure that you're practicing them along with the questions. So it's like if I did a question on group accounts and I was not so sure about the cash flow. So what I'll do is while doing the question on cash flow, I will revise my group cash flow. So that would be my approach now. It's via the question that I'm practicing or I am learning a new concept. So you can't or you don't have that time or leverage of time that you go back to the concepts now and first cover the concepts and then do the questions. But still, if you feel like, no, I need a little brush up on my concepts before I begin or dive into the kit, I would say do attend our grand revision. It always happens on the YouTube channel free of course. So you can attend that grand revision first and then attend the questions on the kit as per the plan. Now, I would also say to all the students who are preparing for September attempt that as per this kit question plan that I'm going to give, which I call as ultimate planner, you are given a disclaimer here that it won't be easy. The day you start with the kit, you'll feel like, okay, what is this? I was doing some concepts in, this rhythm. And now suddenly there are so many shifts and there is so much adventure involved in my preparation that now I have to do, big questions, big case studies. There's a lot of trouble in figuring out information from the case studies. We're not able to understand what exactly examiner wants. And then the answer that I've written at the back of the kit, I mean, that really confuses us, isn't it? So that is something which everyone faces. And this thing will, I would say scare you until you reach half of your plan. So this will take time for you to be habitual from transitioning from the exam, or I would say the study text to the exam kit. So that would take time, and let's be naturally adapted to this, naturally acceptable to this fact. Let's not create a hype, or let's not create a fear around us that, this is just happening with me. No, it happens with everyone who's doing a professional field. So that's what I wanted to give as a disclaimer before I show you the ultimate planner and the Super 20 question list. And make sure that you comment down if this helped. And there is a caption to this video description, whatever you call it as, and you will find this planner as a PDF on that description. So make sure you download it, print it, and paste it on your board. Okay. So let's go on and see the planner finally. Yeah. So here it is. So I hope everyone can see the planner very nicely. So this is basically our ultimate planner, okay? So 7th of August, you need to start from Moish, Joe, Cat, Luna. All these are group accounts question. Fine, this is whole group accounts question. Then what we have is Hudson, Fiskerton, Kate, Tabasco. These are questions from section B. So you need to try them all. And then this part of your red part, which starts from 13th of August, is basically the Super 20 live sessions which are going to start. So day one of Super 20, 6 p.m. Indian time, 13th August. 14th of August, we are going to have it in the recorded format. Until 19th of August, we are going to have live classes at 6 p.m. IST. Now, 19th of August is, I guess, an Indian festival of Raksha Bandhan. So maybe we'll plan accordingly one day before that if we want to reschedule this class to 20th, or whatever we want to do, we'll plan it spontaneously. But these are the days and dates of your live sessions of Super 20. Now, if you want to enroll in them, you all know the thing that you have to be enrolled into our crash course, right? That is available at the website. So you need to go and visit the website at www.tgprofs.com. It's available at $60, okay? And it just not includes Super 20, okay? The crash course is not just for Super 20. Crash course will include all these questions. These are the questions that I'm doing live with you, okay? That is just the live session. But all the questions, each and every question that I've written on this planner is available on the portal and is available on the crash course. And these are the only questions that you have to do. Now, the students who are enrolled with me or who are planning to enroll, uh, don't think like that ma'am has given us these many questions and everything is available on the portal. So let's just watch the portal recordings and get done with this, because that would not work for you. Reason being that I want you to actually, you know, you have to make sure that you are self-practicing also. I always give this example. If you just see me driving the car, you won't learn the car. If you want to learn it, you have to do it yourself as well. So I try that, you do guided practice. So in the live sessions, I give you questions, I throw questions at you, you type them out, you share it with me. That's the guided practice. But apart from them, like if I've given you 3 questions every day and those 3 questions are there in the portal as well, 1 question you can do by yourself, 2 questions you can do by the portal. So that ratio would be apt, okay? Then assignments are very important, which will be happening for the regular batch. I think we've already taken around 3 assignments. So 3 are pending. Same would be given to others as well who will join us or who have already joined us. And then, of course, there would be 2 mocks. Mock 1 would be conducted on 25th of August. And then we'll have a mock debrief for that. And then you will have your grand revision. Once again, a very important date to note for the grand revision is 28th of August. Again, that happens for everyone on YouTube free of cost. So 28th of August, guys, stay tuned. Make sure you're part of our WhatsApp groups. Again, the details are given in the description box so that you get notified when we have our, the grand revision. And I even share the word files of my answer freely to the students on the WhatsApp groups. So make sure you're part of them. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful, and make sure you keep studying, keep the momentum on. This is something which is like the last train which is leaving the station. I also said this 15 days ago, I know, but this one is like very, very important. You cannot start the kit of a professional paper like 1 week before the paper, 2 weeks before the paper. You need to start it now. Wherever your preparation is, you're left with 70% of the syllabus, 50% of the syllabus, 30% of the syllabus. You need to start with the kit based upon whatever you've done. And whatever new is coming, you have to simultaneously cover it. There's no other option. You can't be like, I first cover whole concept and then I will start with the kit. That does not work in professional level. So that's it for the videos, guys. And make sure that you hit the subscribe button and share this video with all the students who are preparing for SBR. All the very best. And that is our ultimate plan. I hope it helped. Bye.